What is up, guys, and welcome to the vlog. We're back again with Gareth and Jono sitting down in the corner, already playing with some new toys. What have I got? Finally, everything is coming together, and tonight is actually pretty surreal. We're going to be doing a test fit of the turbo. Look what I've got. Well, currently, look what Jono's got. This is a DNA Motorsport or DNA Motoring Manifold for the FD. It's pretty decent. I mean, the wells on the inside aren't fantastic, but the outside wells look okay. I've been talking to some guys and to Jason as well about his FD and thinking about running a piece of flat bar across from this side here to the wastegate section. It'll kind of just stop the flex on there, and also with all the heat cycles, this tends to crack around this area. So I think the flat bar should help out. That's what I'm going to do, but not right now. This is going to be a test fit. Sometime during this vlog, you guys are going to see the turbo sitting right there. Hopefully, if everything goes well. What else are we planning? We also want to just find all the gaskets and basically all the things that I need to cover with those blanking plates. Remember I showed you guys before, I need to get one, like for example, on the UIM, there's this, which is the ISC idle speed controller. And the idle speed controller is redundant, I no longer need it. That's going to come off. So just an example, that's one of them. I think there's about 10 blanking plates, so I need to find all the stuff, make the blanking plates. We also want to take the old oil lines out, and then I'm going to take the old oil lines and obviously get them made up by a hydraulics company.
Dropping down like that, so...
Okay, maybe give me one.
Yeah, if you have one more, just maybe hold on the top over there, it'll make it easier.
Cool. Okay.
Okay, holding that one out.
Should I go underneath the car and guard it?
I think we can get in there.
You found it?
It's just a bit stuck. See.
So we've been fighting for the last like 45 minutes trying to get the damn manifold in. I think this heat shield over here that covers the bush, one of the bushes underneath, causing some issues, so I've just cut in a square piece over here. You can see, come on camera. But I probably should have marked it when I was down there the first time. I need to cut this piece off, so I'm going to do that now. Anyway, weight reduction, whatever. And then we're just doing a test fit without that heat shield, but all good. Marks here.
Where did you pick up this turbo from, dude?
From eBay.
In the depths of eBay.
The depth of eBay. It's a Turbo XS turbo. It's equivalent to a Garrett GT45.
Kazakhstan somewhere.
It's big. But if you look at the back, there, that side, it says that it is for an FD3S and an FC3S too, which is cool, which means it should fit. So, guys, the manifold's on, we're good to go. Garrett's going to attempt doing this. He's the strongest one out of all of us.
And it's not going to happen.
Because of the heater pipe.
Because of that pipe right there.
Okay.
And that's why everybody else puts in a rubber pipe.
So that pipe's going to go out.
But it'll fit in that pipe.
We live in Africa, I do not need a heater pipe.
No, it'll fit in there.
Mark, say hi to the vlog.
How's it going?
So awkward. Okay.
Do you want to like put it in and then like film it being put in?
It's going in.
Just
I'm
use
filming
also
it.
out the way over here.
Yeah. You want me to take it for you?
Yeah, I can see from here.
Maybe we should put all the studs on.
It just seems like this is going to suck you in the way that
But you can clock this.
Yeah.
It's just a test fit, so.
Yeah.
Is that not like some sort of... No, okay, it's supposed to do that.
I think we need to knock down the hammer.
Yeah, just put skew.
Okay, workbench.
That one there also, you can see. It's aligned a bit off.
Okay, let's see if we can knock it in.
Yeah.
Is it even moving?
Yeah, no, hit this one that way.
Stop making such noise.
Set the house alarm off. Good job. Well done, Nelson.
So, we're busy tightening the bolts in the manifold again. Jono, do you want to tell the vlog what happened?
It's got something to do with this. Just
Nothing happened.
Fell into the manifold. Good content. Oh yeah, thumbnail. Almost fucked up my FD. It's not clickbait.
Yeah.
Not lying here, guys.
Dropped something into my FD.
Oh, before we fit this turbo, I need a thumbnail for reals. I was thinking like licking the thing or something.
Getting all up in that shit.
Okay, it's pretty solid
I
again.
don't know. I think I've killed my channel. I took that 4 month sabbatical and it's like, fuck now.
Oh, dude, shit. Like, just let's get the car running.
Yeah.
People can masturbate over the car later.
For sure.
How's it feel?
That's pretty solid though. Yeah, and I'll be able to support the You know it's solid when you're moving the whole car. So I don't think I have any problems. Okay, so that other shitty bolt's out too.
Now we only got one stud.
Yeah, we've got one stud.
Oh, you got it.
Oh, guys, just by the by, I lost all the studs. Well, not me, but the fucking studs fell out the box because when I delivered it, I don't mind that eBay sign on the side. There was a hole. It wasn't eBay, I promise. Hole at the bottom of the box, and the freaking studs came out. Wait, can't we use these studs?
Yeah.
Those were the
These are the ones I was thinking.
Yeah, but I also need them for the wastegate. But the wastegate could have its own studs.
Yeah.
Maybe Garrett should do it.
Why me?
I learned.
I can't take this ring.
Yeah, let's use these two for now.
I'm gonna take out the wastegate. Oh, wait. Yes, it's got bolts.
Oh, yeah.
That just settles.
It just fell off, and it's got its own gaskets.
Other one?
Holding it, multitasking here.
He's filming for the vlog. It's very important. Before you go anywhere, feel this.
Oh, yeah, it's quite
See what I
heavy.
mean?
You should build the support brackets.
I should. So this is a test fit.
Oh, nice little hex bolts. I think it's good.
Okay, so we sorted them with bolts, sort of.
Pop off. We need two more of those silver ones.
I'm holding one in my hand, yeah.
Probably in America or eBay land. I don't know. Mark,
Hello.
moment of truth.
Nice.
Okay.
Let's go.
Swap. Here's check my wastegate, Mark. That big thing.
Holy crap. Holy shit, this is a big wastegate.
Can't see what I'm doing.
Oh yeah.
It's on.
That's on.
Holy
That's on.
crap, I can see it.
And it's carrying.
That's on.
Might need to be clocked a little bit.
Yeah, it's definitely be clocked for that over there. But other than that, it's clearing everything. Of course, I'm not a mechanic, so I don't know what I'm talking about, but...
I only learned the word clocked recently from one of my subscribers.
Well, now we can use it a lot of times for good measure.
Holy shit, guys. The turbo's in.
Yep.
Oh, you know what? It's supposed to arrive this damn week and it hasn't. Pineapple pulley thing.
Oh, that'd been cool.
It's in Durban. I got a thing. It says it's here.
That's on.
It's on someone's golf now.
That, yeah, I'm gonna start on nicely, but it's sitting on there.
There's another stud.
Wait, hang on. Can it sit like that? No.
No, that's just lifting it up though, because it's not pulled down.
Oh, we can't really get.
No, but it's fine. We don't.
Yeah.
There's no nuts on the studs.
No. Okay, dude. It's like 2 hours. We kind of forgot to pick up the camera. Well, I did at least. Oil feed line. Oh jeez, where'd it go?
It's part of it back there.
Yeah, amongst all the mess.
Yeah, another bit over there.
So this was sitting over there. Can you see where the banjo bolt is? That was parking over there, like around the coil pack. So I just took a saw and I cut it in half, and yeah. Anyway, it's out. So we need to measure now and work out the distance between there to there, and then get a hydraulic company to make something up. And then there's the oil return, which is down the bottom somewhere, so we're gonna measure that up as well. And the wastegate's on. That looks pretty sick. Look at that. Guys, check this out. So we're busy going through trying to figure out all these blanking plates that I've shown you guys before in the past, and one of them is the double throttle system, which here's the throttle body that was on the UIM somehow, like that.
Yeah, no, do that thing.
But anyway, that's off. And how it works and what I figured out, pretty weird.
Yeah, let's check if only more high.
So obviously this is the throttle body and it's controlled by a throttle cable which is connected to my pedal, and it opens up these 3 butterflies. But there was another butterfly system over here that you can see. I don't know what you call it, like a butterfly rod thing. So this is a double butterfly system, and that's all coming out. So there's an actuator on here that was controlled by a solenoid, and this would open and close sometime. I don't know why it was on there. It's coming out. It's best practice to come out. And what are you guys up to?
Removing bolts.
Water pipe.
Yep.
Oh yeah, so water pipe's coming out because it's in the way of the turbo. We've clocked the turbo, by the way, so that's going to be the position. This is it. And
That's where you put the blanking plates.
yeah, so
And
we're
then
gonna
the
put a
second one as well here.
This one was the idle speed control, which is coming out, and this is the double throttle control system. Have you got the gaskets for that?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, cool. So John is busy tapping away here.
My side was far easier, I'm just saying.
We've actually done quite a lot of stuff. I'm really impressed. This is amazing. Yeah. Is this the gasket that we need
As
for the
far as I
bottom?
know, that's the one that goes on over there.
For here?
Yes.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So we're collecting gaskets so we can make blanking plates. Are you freaking serious? As I click, as I started filming.
Oh, he's clearly quite
Look how
good.
nice and warm it is.
Yeah, look at that brake.
We listed the shit
Look
out
at that shit. Mark used his,
The strong
talent.
yeah, his talent. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Yeah. There we go.
Okay, goodbye, heater pipe.
Even more space for it.
Now this is
That is,
Breakfast.
goes onto the back of the UIM.
okay. Oh yeah.
I don't know what it is, but it's for the brake booster and it goes on the back of the UIM.
Should be a valve inside it as well.
Yeah.
A who?
A one-way valve.
Okay.
Yeah.
Stick all
See the tool, the real tools one should use. Hacksaw.
With the blade the wrong way around.
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna clean up a little bit up.
There's so much space now on the firewall.
Bend this back up too.
Mark, you in here when I told the dudes.
Right.
I ordered some gold foil, reflective foil to go on the LIM and on the sides here.
Uh huh.
It's gonna look so sick.
Yeah.
Along with my gold dump felt. Why are you laughing? Have you not seen Aaron Parker's car?
Do
Do you know Aaron Parker?
No.
What the fuck is wrong with you?
Aaron
Do
Parker.
you guys know Aaron Parker?
No.
What's an Aaron Parker?
Formula Drift,
Have you seen his
RX-7.
car?
He was Mad Mike's mechanic or some shit.
Okay.
Do you know Mad Mike?
I know that, yeah, because he's got that RX-7.
See, he's driving now in Japan.
Alright guys, I'm going to end the vlog here. It's pretty late. It's 11 something. We've got a hell of a lot done. So look behind me. Turbo's in. I did show you guys it's been clocked. What did we just do? I don't remember.
A lot of blanking plates.
Oh shit, yeah. So we've got all the gaskets here for all the blanking plates. You can see I've marked them all off. This one, these don't exist. This is on the LIM for the, is that LIM or, no, it's on the UIM. So these don't exist on the JDM UIM. So this is obviously USDM stuff.
Yes.
I lost one. What else did we do on the car? Like now, since the last time we filmed?
Removed that part over there.
Oh, there was a stupid thing there underneath the LIM, which is the air control valve. That crap's come out.
Alternator's back on.
Alternator's back on, which is cool. It does need a little bit of a cleanup, but whatever. I just want to get this car going again. I think that's it.
Vacuumed it.
We vacuumed the car. It needs to be degreased though. The turbo's still going to come out. We need to clean up the turbo. We need to do a bunch of shit here. And we've pulled off that heater pipe. That's completely
Yes, the
broken.
one along the back.
I think I did film that. And something else. There was a split air pipe that goes around the back into the catalytic converter for some reason. That's out. Anyway guys, that's it from me. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you all in the next video. Cheers.
Money my Chevy earned, and Tuesday is ocean blue. 28 sit over you, Ferrari drops and Rovers too. You sit 'em out, TVs I'ma flip 'em out. 50-50 thing, tell 'em, ship it up. Coming down, shining rose gold.